fine. I'm fine too. So let us begin our session. I haven't even discussed the tenses, right? So we need to start tenses today, right? New
Yes,
topic?
ma'am.
Okay. So after the examination, we are starting a new topic today. Okay. We are going to learn the tense rules and the tenses. Only the rules first. Okay. We need to identify the types of tenses also. That means there are 3 tenses, and all these 3 tenses have 4 forms each under that. So there are 12 tense forms also. Now all of you listen. What is the word meaning of tense? You are familiar with the word tense, right?
Time.
You are all familiar with the word tense.
Yes.
What is the meaning of the word tense?
Time.
Exactly. Tense means time. It shows time of an action, right? I am
Yes, ma'am.
now. At this moment, I am taking a class, or I am teaching you English grammar. It is happening this moment, right? This particular moment. I am talking in this
Present.
time now. Okay?
Ma'am, present tense.
Yeah. So it shows the time now. Okay? But there, see, once upon a time, there lived a king and a queen.
Past
Are
tense.
they living now?
Past tense. Ma'am, it was past tense.
It shows the time then. A long, long years ago or back. Okay, the time then. Okay, I'll come to your home, Chinmay, tomorrow. Chinmay, I'm planning to come to your home.
Future tense.
Not now. I am now in the class. I'm not talking about the kings and queens
Future.
in the past. But I will be going to, future tense, which shows the time to come. Okay, so we have three different times. We are planning to talk about 3 different times. Okay, the time now, present tense, the time then,
Past tense.
and the time to come.
Future tense.
The time to come.
Future tense.
I request. Okay, very good. So we have 3 tenses. How many tenses are there, Madhav Ranjit? Madhav Ranjit, how many tenses?
3
tenses. Okay, under each tenses we have 4 different forms. Okay, how many forms are under each tenses? We have 3 tenses. Under present tense there are 4 forms. Under past tense there are 4 forms. Under future tense also we have 4 forms.
4 forms.
4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to
12.
12. Excellent. Good person. Who said this answer? All of a sudden, quick answer. Yeah, Gautam. Very good. There are 12 tense forms. How many tenses are there, children?
12.
You're wrong. How many tenses are there, children?
3.
Exactly. There are 3 tenses. How many tenses are there, children? 3 tenses. It shows the time of an action. We have past tense, we have present tense, we have future tense, right? And we have 4 forms under each tenses. Okay, we have 4 forms under each tenses. Okay, so 4 forms plus 4 forms plus 4 form is equal to 12 tense forms. How many tense forms are there?
12.
There are 3 tenses and 12 tense forms. Tell me, there are 3 tenses and 12 tense forms. Anthony Joel, how many tenses are there, Anthony Joel?
4 tenses.
I am coming to your home tomorrow. I'll be giving you additional classes if you say like this.
12 tenses. Ma'am, I was
No, I won't agree with you. How many tenses are there, Anthony? All of us,
12.
please keep quiet.
I'm 12.
No, I won't agree. I disagree. Strongly, I disagree with you, Anthony Joel. Anthony, tell me how many tenses are there? No, I want an answer from Anthony Joel. Anthony Joel said, ma'am, there are 4 tenses. No, I'm not sure. 4 tenses. How can it be? Anthony, or I cannot even hear what you're saying. So how many tenses, Anthony? Louder.
3 tenses.
Very good. What are they? What are the 3 tenses?
Present tense. Past tense.
Excellent.
Future tense.
Excellent. How many tense forms are there, Chris Joe? many tense forms are there? Chris Joe, are you able to hear what am I saying? Rohit Jayan, how many tense forms are there?
12.
12. Okay, so we are going to name the 12 tense forms now. Okay, we are going to name the 12 tense forms now. Okay, let us see how I am going to write on the board now. Look at here, as I have told you, the tense shows time of an action. Okay, tense means time of action. It can be a present tense, a past tense, a future tense. The present tense talks about time now. Now I am standing in a classroom and I am teaching you, right? You are listening to grammar classes now, correct?
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
And past tense, once upon a time, there lived a king and a queen. Okay, it happened years ago. So it talks about the time then. Okay, past tense. And future tense, Agni, I will come to your home tomorrow. So we have the time
Future
to
tense.
At present, I am in a class and tomorrow I'll be going to Agni Menon's home. Okay, future tense. So let me explain the 4 forms which are coming under the tenses. Okay, we have simple forms. What are they? We have simple forms. We have continuous forms. Check the spelling. continuous. Continuous. We have continuous form. We have perfect form. Okay, perfect form, and the last one is perfect continuous form. Check the spelling of continuous. continuous. Okay, so under each present tense we have these 3 forms, past tense under these 4 forms, and under the future tense also we have these 4 forms. Am I clear? Am I clear? So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us see present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, present, past, future. Okay, present, past, future. How many forms are there, children? All these 3 tenses have simple forms. Okay, all these 3 tenses have continuous form. Okay, remember, all these 3 tenses have perfect form. Okay, all these 3 tenses have perfect continuous form.
Continuous.
Okay?
Continuous
Okay,
form.
so we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
present simple. That means simple present form, present continuous form, present perfect form. Okay, present perfect continuous.
Continuous.
Okay, we have simple past form. What is that? We have
Simple past.
we have past continuous, we have past perfect,
Past perfect.
past
Past perfect.
continuous.
Continuous.
Okay, under future tense also these forms are coming, and these forms are
Simple future.
simple future, future continuous,
Future continuous.
future perfect,
Future perfect, continuous.
Continuous.
So 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 forms. Okay, so we have 3 tenses. We have 3 tenses and we have 12 tense forms. Clear?
12 forms.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me ask Ahil Shafi. How many tenses are there, Ahil?
Ma'am, 3 tenses.
How many tense forms are there, Ahil?
Ma'am, 12.
Correct. You're absolutely right. Which are what are the 4 forms coming under present tense, Praveen? Praveen P. Joshi. Tell me the 4 forms coming under the Praveen Joshi. Am I clear? Praveen? Okay. So Praveen, you tell me the 4 forms under present tense. Praveen, the question is to you. Anandesh Spy, the four forms under present tense.
Yes, ma'am. Simple present.
Simple present,
Present continuous.
present continuous,
Present perfect.
present perfect,
Present perfect continuous.
present perfect continuous. Thank you. I have Rohit Jain here. Rohit, tell me the four forms under past tense. Rohit, tell me the four forms coming under past tense. Rohit, can you hear me? Your camera position is not correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit, tell me the four forms coming under past tense.
Simple.
Simple past,
Past. Perfect.
no, you haven't written, it seems. Take a paper and write. So the question goes to Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, can you tell me the answer? The four forms coming under the past tense. All of you please note down. Whenever I am discussing something, you take a paper and write down everything. In between, I'll be asking the question.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Abhimanyu. This question goes to Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, can you tell me the four forms under past tense?
Ma'am, your sound is lagging.
Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, say
Ma'am, your
louder.
sound
The
is
four
lagging.
forms coming under past tense.
Simple.
Louder. So slow. Okay, Harsha Krishnan. Harsha, can you tell me the four forms under past tense? Harsha's video is stuck. I have Madhav.
Ma'am, can I?
Madhav, tell me the four forms under past tense. Before you're leaving the class, you should be thorough with the forms. Madhav? Huh?
Past tense form.
Hi, I want four forms
Excuse
under.
Ma'am,
Blesswin, the four forms under past tense. Blesswin.
Ma'am, admit.
Blesswin. Fia Maria. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
my dear. Fia, can you tell me the four forms under past tense?
Okay, ma'am. Past, symbol,
That means simple
Past.
past. Okay, simple past.
continuous past,
Past continuous. Okay, don't get confused. Simple past, past continuous. Okay,
past perfect,
very good. Perfect. Your answer is perfect. Past perfect.
past perfect continuous.
Excellent. And I want to know it from Pranav. Pranav, you tell me the four forms under future tense. Pranav. No, he is silent. So I'm moving to Agnay. Agnay, anyway, tomorrow I'll be there at your home. You give me some snacks to take. Okay. Okay, tell me the four forms under future tense.
Simple future,
Very good.
future perfect,
Before that,
future continuous,
excellent. So simple future, future continuous, future perfect. And
future perfect continuous.
thank you. Very good. Manu, let me ask a question. What is the spelling of continuous, Manu? I have told you to remember the spelling of continuous.
Ma'am,
Yes.
CONTIOUS.
Wrong. Manukutta?
Ma'am,
Once again, you write somewhere and tell me the answer.
okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Manu to correct his spelling. CON. Repeat. Tell me the spelling once again. Spelling of continuous. It should be learned today before you're leaving the class. Okay, spelling of continuous. Manu, repeat. CON.
TIEOUS.
No.
Ma'am,
Felix Niger.
OUS.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the spelling of.
Continous.
No. No. So
O-U-S.
I'm moving to Dia. Dia, Dia, I got the spelling of continuous. All of you, please be very silent. Dia. Fast. What is the spelling of continuous? No? So I have Angelina Jose here. Angelina, tell me the spelling
Yes,
of
ma'am.
continuous.
CON
C-O-N
TIN
T-I-N
N UOUS.
Very good. So
Thank you, ma'am.
C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. All of you please correct your spelling and learn today itself. Don't make any mistake. Normally children are making mistakes in the spelling. So please do this now itself. Please do the correction now itself. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have 4 forms under present tense, 4 forms under past tense, and 4 forms under future tense. Okay, so we are starting from the present tense today, the time now. Okay, we have 4 forms under present tense, the time now. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
look at here, children. Simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Before going into the simple present, the rule, I have a box here. Okay, I'm going to draw a small box with 3 words. Okay, I have a word right. I have a word fly. I have a word drink. Okay, I have 3 words here. And I'm going to label it as present. All of you please note down. Past.
Ma'am, can we note down it in a notebook?
Yes. Past participle. Present participle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We have these 4 forms. Okay? First one is called V1, V2, V3, V4. But normally, till last year, you may be learning V1, V2, V3, V4. But this year onwards, you should use the term present form, past participle form, present participle form. Clear? Am I clear? So tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the present form of the word right.
Ma'am. Wrote.
Writing.
Okay, no,
Writing.
right. Look at here, children. The present forms of the word right is either right or writes. Okay, the present form of the verb right is either right or writes. We can use right and writes are the present form of the verb right. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? And
Yes,
look at
ma'am.
here. We have the second word fly. Can you tell me the second word's present forms? We can say the word fly in 2 different forms.
Flies.
Okay, we have fly and we have flies.
Flew.
Okay, both the forms are present. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? And look at the
Yes,
third
ma'am.
verb. It is drink. What is the past form of the verb
Drinks.
drink?
Drinks.
Sorry, not past, present form. Yeah, it can be
Drinks.
drink
Drinks.
or
Drinks.
drinks. We can use
Drink.
or we can say either drink, drinks.
Or
Both
drinks.
are present form. Why we are using like this? Do you know the reason?
Because it is
Reason?
It is happening in present.
But right and rights are using in present tense. Why?
because it is singular.
Excellent. Who said the answer? Anthony. Agnay. Excellent, Agnay. Your answer is absolutely right. See, remember, children, if your subject is singular, like Anju, Pranav, Felix. Okay, I am Miss Anju V. Menon. Here we have Felix and Previn here. So we are actually, this one is, the subject is Anju is a teacher. Where you can see the word Anju is a singular subject. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
the subject is singular, you should use only the singular present form of the verb. If the subject is singular, use a singular verb. So she writes or she write is correct.
Right.
She
Right.
writes.
Right.
Okay, she is singular. So by adding yes, es or ies at the end of the verb, you can change a verb into singular. Remember, this point is very important. All of you remember,
Ma'am, can you
this point is very important to make a verb singular or to change a verb into singular form. You can add yes, es or ies form at the end of the word. Okay, so it can be a present form and also a singular form of the verb. So what is the
Okay,
plural
ma'am.
form then? Plural present form of the verb. If the subject is plural like they write a letter or they writes a letter. Which one is correct?
Right, ma'am. Right.
Right.
They're right.
Right. So
Right.
apparently you're correct. So the base form of the verb like write, jump, move and all are called the plural form of the verb. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
once again, you listen to change a verb from plural to singular. Plural forms are the base forms. Clear? That is clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Like write,
Yes.
jump, move, kick without s or es forms are called plural verbs. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
they write, they sing, they dance, they talk. Okay? Bird flies or birds flies. Which one is correct?
Bird flies. Birds.
Flies.
Bird flies.
Remember the verbs ending with the sound s. Which sound? Hissing of a snake. Sound. Okay. Jumps. Sings.
Jumps.
Smiles. Okay.
Smiles.
So words ending with s sounds are singular. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? It's easy to remember
Yes.
a singular verb. So if the subject is singular, use a singular verb form. If the subject is plural, you use the base form of the verb. Clear? Plural
Yes,
form.
ma'am.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Am I clear,
Yes, ma'am.
children? So listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving back to the slide. Look at here. We have a box here. So we said present forms of the verbs are either write or writes. Fly or flies are present form. Drink
Yes,
or
ma'am.
drinks are present form. If the subject is singular, bird, we should use flies.
Flies.
Okay, because bird is singular, flies, the verb is singular. Okay, at the same time, if
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
birds, you know, birds, the word is actually a plural
We should
noun.
use.
So we should
Yes,
use
ma'am.
fly, a plural
Fly.
verb. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Flies and fly are the present form of the verb. Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
past form of the verb right?
Road. Road.
Okay, we have W-R-O-T-E, rot. Past
Rot.
form. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
past form of the verb fly?
Flew.
Very good, flew. What
Flew.
is the past form of the verb drink?
Drank.
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 Okay, so likewise, you're familiar with the past participle form also. What is the past participle form of the verb, right?
Written.
Written.
It is,
Written.
tell me
Written.
spelling.
W-R-I-T-T-E-N.
W-R-I.
R-I-T-T-E-N.
Okay. And tell me what is the past participle the form of the verb fly.
Fruit.
Flown. Spelling.
Road.
Flown. Spelling. Spelling.
F.
F-A-E-W-N.
F.
L.
Tell me. F,
F L
L,
E
Flawn.
FLOWN.
Very good. Flawn. Remember,
Yes.
this is the past participle form of the verb flawn. Okay? Or fly. So tell me the past participle form of the verb drink.
Ma'am, the spelling is drunk. WN.
Drink.
Drunk. Drunk.
Drunk.
DRUNK.
Very good. Tell me the present participle. Remember the present participle form of the verb. All the verbs
Writing.
are ending in ing. Very good.
Writing.
Writing. How many T? How many T in writing?
One.
Very good. Writing. What is the spelling of this one? Fly.
F L
F L
Y.
Y.
ING.
Tell me the spelling of present participle form of the verb drink.
Drinking.
I want spelling.
DRINKING.
Very good. So you got it? You
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
different forms. You can see
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the present form of the verb of write is either write or writes. Fly is fly or flies. And drink is drinks or drink. And remember, if the subject is singular, use a singular verb. If the subject is plural, use a plural verb. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am, the spelling of drinks past participle is DRUNK.
D-R-U-N-K, drunk.
Okay,
Drink,
ma'am.
drank, drunk. It is
Drunk.
D-R-U-N-K, drunk.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Let us come back to the point called simple present tense. Okay? We are starting with the rule of simple present tense. Ready? Are you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start with the rule of or the formula for simple present tense. Or if you write simple present,
Ma'am, can we write in a notebook?
yeah, simple
Okay, ma'am.
present tense. The rule of
Ma'am, should we
simple
write this
present
in a rough
tense.
book?
You take a
Ma'am,
paper
can
and
you-
write now. The
Ma'am,
rule
can
of-
you-
all of you please
Ma'am.
listen first. You have to listen to the rule first. The rule to construct a sentence in simple present tense is subject plus, all of you please write, I'll write full spelling. Subject plus present form of the verb. All of you write like this. Present
Okay, ma'am.
form of the verb plus object. Okay, this is the formula or this is the rule that you should by heart. Okay, the rule is subject plus present form of the verb. Okay, subject plus present form of the verb. It's very important. We should use only the present form of the verb when you write a simple present tense. Example, he. Which one? Write or writes? Which one is correct here?
Writes.
Right,
Writes.
because the subject is singular. So we have to use a singular verb. He writes a letter. All of you write the same example. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Writes a letter. Why I have used writes? It is singular because the subject is singular.
Singular.
In form. Clear? He is singular.
Yes,
so I
ma'am.
have to use the present form, singular form. Writes. Okay, if it is they, children, if it is they
You should use
write or
write.
writes?
Right.
Write. They write a letter. Melking, you are not writing anything. You are sitting in an easy chair and lavishly sitting without writing anything. If you know the answers also, you should please write down something in a paper. Okay, so look at here. We have examples here, 2 examples here. He is singular, so we use a singular verb. Whereas you can see I have used a plural subject. See, I have used a plural subject, so the verb should be plural. But writes and write are the present form of the verb. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now my question is to Devak Menon. Devak, can you tell me the rule of simple present
Yes,
tense?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me this.
No, ma'am.
Sorry. Tell me the rule of simple present tense.
Subject plus
Okay.
present form of the verb plus object.
Adinath S. Nair, your answer is very correct, my dear. So Adinath S. Nair, Adinath, can you tell me the rule of simple present tense?
Yes, ma'am. Subject plus present form of the verb plus object.
Excellent. I want one example from Devananda Panikar. Devananda, can you tell me? Not the rule. I want one example of simple present tense.
Ma'am, she's not.
Okay. Isha, can I get an example from you? Simple present tense, one example. Subject plus present form of the verb plus object. Confused?
Can I use the example that you used?
No, I don't want the same example. I want some other sentence. Think about it. Yes, Arsha, she's raising her hand. Arsha, you have it. Your turn.
Ma'am, I have.
He writes neatly in her notebook.
Very good. He or she? She writes very neatly in her notebook. Other than this, I want Adil Shafiq, not Adil. I want Fia.
I have. Angelina has.
Fia is raising her hand. Fia, can you tell me one example?
He walks in his garden.
He walks or works?
Walks.
Walks. Oh, very good. He walks. Spelling W-A-L-K-S. Very good. So
Ma'am,
here
can I
comes your
tell?
homework. Here
Can
comes
I
your
tell?
homework. All of you write the rule very neatly in an A4 size sheet, and please try to find out 10 examples. 5 from singular subject and 5 from plural subject. Okay, in the simple present tense form. Okay, we'll be discussing all the answers in the next class. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention.
I have one. They write. Ma'am, can they write? Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Angelina.
Ruled paper.
Excuse me,
A4 size sheet, unruled.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
They write.
And the phone's battery is low, so can I leave
you
the
can leave the
meeting?
meeting. No problem. Leave.
Excuse me, ma'am, can I tell example?
Yes, fast. The next batch is waiting.
They ride a bike. They ride bikes.
They ride a bike. Very good. They is plural. So she used only ride. She hasn't used rides. Okay. It is they ride their motorbike or they ride their bike. Very good. Congratulations. Excellent. Very
Thank
good.
you,
Well
ma'am.
done. So my dear children, homework for you. Find out 5 sentences with singular subject in simple present. Find out 5 sentences in using plural subject in simple present form. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. See you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Study well, okay? By heart the rules.
Ma'am, bye bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I